umukire, hari umukire yiyambaje kugera mu bibazo udafite umukire nabyo. Ibi bintu ni ikosa rikomeye. Umukobwa yese yihamagarira umukire. Hey Dan.
It's good to hear from you.
Ni byiza kukumva.
Hey, I should have called you a long time ago.
Nakabaye naraguhamagaye mbere ariko yibutse kumuhamagara nyine ageze mu bibazo nibwo batwibuka.
To the Globe base, I know.
Nyuma yuko banyirukanye Globe nahise mbura.
No apologies
Nta
necessary.
mpamvu yo gusaba imbabazi.
Hey, listen, I'm in Boston.
Umva ndi muri Boston nona.
We'll get a drink.
Kana nawe niho utuye tubonane.
I wish I could, and I'm actually in New York.
Wahubwo ngiye nakabyifuje ariko ubundi muri New York. Niyo mpamvu ngo wamagaye.
A favor coming up.
Umeze nk'umuntu ugiye kunsaba service ariko.
Yeah, it's a crazy.
Yego ni inkuru y'ubusaza ariko.
And without my,
Isakoshi yanjye bayibye.
I can't check into my hotel.
Urumva nta karita ya banki mfite, nta kintu na kimwe mfite, urumva sinabona uko nishyura hoteli.
I know this is a big ask, but it's
Ndabizi ngusabye ibintu biremereye ariko
just for the night.
Yeah, of course.
wareka nkarari wawe ijoro rimwe.
Hey, look, I'll come down tomorrow and we'll grab a bite.
Ejo nzataha nimugoroba naza tukanasangira.
I'd love that, but I'm just
Nakabikunze ariko
literally just.
ndarari wawe iri joro gusa.
But maybe another time.
Mbyuke ntaha tuzabona ubutaha. Sawa.
I'll have the spare keys left at the front desk for you.
Imbere ugende kuri front desk bagura urufunguzo rw'icyumba nta kibazo. Cyase rw'inzu yanjye. Recho.
It's really good to hear from you.
Ni byiza kongera kumva telefone yawe umpamagaye. Bisa nkaho baziranye mu buryo utamenya. Umusore amagara ambwira ati ndashaka kujya kurari wawe, ko mufite umuntu akaba yaguhamagara ati ijoro ndaza kurari wawe, ukabwira ati hari umukozi cyane n'umuntu uyo genda ukingure winjire. Tugaruke Briggs muri main.
All right, thanks, Chopra.
Yego Chopra. Urakoze. Rebe.
So I was doing some digging into West.
Narindi gukora iperereza kuri uriya mupolisi bita ngo ni Weston cyangwa se umusirive bita Weston wa wundi wirashe. Hari ikintu kidasanzwe mbonye kuri we.
$1,000 a month for the last 5 years from this company called REH Holdings.
Hari company yitwa REH Holdings imaze imyaka 5 buri kwezi bamwishyura $1,000. Urebe.
Sounds like a shell company.
Bimeze nk'ari company y'ibanga za company.
Caymans.
Ni company yanditse muri Caymans.
For us.
Nta nubwo twabasha kumenya ngo iyo company yamwishyuraga ni iyihe, ariko buri kwezi uriya musirive yahabwaga $1,000.
The payment started the month that Burroughs arrived at Briggs.
Ati kandi ayo mafaranga uriya musirive yatangiye kuyahabwa ukwezi David Burroughs yinjiriye imageragere agiye gufungwa, nibwo uriya musirive ya buri kwezi yari company yatangiye kujya imwishyura $1,000 ahoraho ya buri kwezi.
You think someone's paying to keep tabs on him?
Bivuze ngo uratekereza ko hari umuntu waba warishyuriye musirive kugira ngo ajye acunga David, sibyo?
I'm saying the timing lines up.
Uburyo igihe nyine iyo timing irimo niteye ikibazo.
Might be right about that.
Ibyo bintu uvuga nibyo.
I talked to